Oh yeah, got mama. It's daughter Momo. We getting ready. Look at Momo. Look at Momo. Momo playing with.
Where you at right now, though?
That's why we do it. That's why we do it.
Shut up and race.
All right, y'all, we got a grud race. We got a grud race. Everybody been wanting to see it. Miss Super Sport Attitude Adjuster. Larry Hoover. About to go down. About to go down, y'all. Woo! Good. Oh, look at all that person, that thing. Attitude adjuster, sound good. Woo, attitude adjuster, sound good. Larry Hoover got to skeeting up out of there. Sound good. They're gonna be a good one, y'all. They've been talking about it. Here we go. We're going in first. Who we in? There they go. And she went down. That's my game to hit. And cracked it. Oh, that's on Tony. He caught him.
Got him! Got him!
That ain't no shirt. Give me that shirt. Black Bar Racing, Mississippi. New model Mustang. Hey y'all, new model Mustang. Going up against a new model Vet, Z06 against a 2014 Mustang stick shift, y'all. Grud race. Yeah, here we go. Let's see what's gonna happen. They got money on the line, y'all. Somebody gonna win a car note or somebody gonna lose a car note. Oh, the vet. Oh, the vet. Good God Almighty. Oh, man. Woo, the vet tore out of there. Oh, and the vet takes the win. God. Oh, I just got it. What the hell?
The green hook will never beat me when the track is working.
I got one question. Man. When do the track work, though?
Man. When Mandrell have a shut up and race, it works, baby. Yeah, man.
All right, y'all, July 3rd. What you want to do, man?
Shut up and race.
Hey, shut up and race. That's what my son said. Make sure y'all bring your kids out from 4 to 7, whatever they can ride. From 7 to 11, we'll be racing car, all motor shootout. July the 4th, make sure, listen, drive in the wind. What I mean by drive in the wind, you got to bring your car. We're going to unload at 2 o'clock, go on a cruise. We're going to come back and got $3,000 you can try to win. After that, we got street car shootout. We got a motorcycle shootout. Listen, y'all, I appreciate y'all watching my video. I appreciate y'all supporting me all over the years. So make sure y'all come out and check this out. Thank you.
How do you like me right